Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Goldman. I'm the managing partner of Goldman and Associates, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about a crime that we hear a lot about. It's unfortunate that it happens, but it's a crime and it's called DUI. It's referred to as drunk driving, driving while under the influence of alcohol. Sometimes it's called DWI, driving while intoxicated. In the earlier days of my practice, we had crimes called OUIL, unlawful blood alcohol level, certain other designations for crimes that involve drunk driving. I don't have to tell you how serious drunk driving is and what a blight it is on our society. You don't have to go too far to find somebody who's been impacted by a drunk driver, either a family member who got arrested for it and put in jail for it, or God forbid somebody who was injured or killed by a drunk driver. We all know the ills of drunk driving. What you've got to know is, if you're charged with drunk driving, you are fighting not only the charge, but all of the societal pressure against drunk driving. You're fighting the prejudices that the court system has against drunk drivers. You're fighting all the mothers against drunk drivers, and every political action group that there ever has been that talks about the dangers of intoxication. When that happens, you've got a serious charge in front of you. And it's very important to know that the person who's representing you is experienced and qualified to handle it. You may not know this, but the penalties for drunk driving vary significantly from city to city. Where you get the charge is going to depend in large measure on whether or not you're going to jail, and if so, how long you're staying. There are some municipalities where your first offense, you've never done anything wrong in your life, you had a couple cocktails with dinner, there was no accident, but the police officer thought you were weaving, he smelled a little alcohol, he wrote you the ticket. There are some municipalities where you're going to jail for 30 days or more, and there's nothing anybody can do to stop it. On the other hand, we've had people who've been arrested for fourth offense drunk driving who have done no jail time at all. It really depends on a lot of factors. The lawyers who do this kind of work know the factors. They know what's involved in weakening the case to protect you. And what does protect you mean? Does it mean putting you back behind the wheel? Not necessarily. It may mean keeping you out of jail, though. And it may mean giving you the opportunity to get into a program and get your arms around the alcohol situation so that, God forbid, something tragic doesn't happen. That's what protecting you means. If you have any questions, or you're charged with drunk driving, or your spouse or better half is charged with it, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out, and we'll put you in the right direction.